Good morning, students. So in our previous class we have completed our example problems. So in this class we are going to see exercise problems, right? So before I'm going to see the problems, I want to tell you one thing. So exercise problems you have to try, because all exercise problems are related to the example problems. First of all, you have to relate all the exercise problems with the example problems. For example, we have 3 example problems for this unit, that is for exercise 1.1. So if you look at the first problem, find A cross B, A cross A, B cross A. That is, find the Cartesian product. So this problems related to the first example. First example is also find the Cartesian product. By the same way, you have to relate all the exercise problems with the example problems, and you have to do by your own. Then only you'll get practice, right? Okay. So anyway, I hope that everyone knew something about Cartesian product and relations. So I'm not going to do the problems and teach you simultaneously. I had already done my problems. I'm just going to explain them, right? Okay. So exercise 1.1, first problem. Find A cross B, A cross A, B cross A. We have 3 questions here. We have to find out this Cartesian products for these questions, right? Okay. Let's take the first one. What is the first one? A is equal to 2 minus 2 3 and B is equal to 1 comma minus 4. Find A cross B, A cross A, B cross A. Right? Okay. Now the first one is A cross B. What is A here? 2 minus 2 3. What is B here? 1 comma minus 4. A cross B is nothing but what? Cartesian product. Cartesian product. We know already how to find the Cartesian product. So we can take the first element here. So from this to first element of the second set 1. So 2 comma 1. Again the same number, second number 2 comma minus 4. So 2 comma 1, 2 comma minus 4. Next we have to go for the second number. So minus 2 comma 1, minus 2 comma minus 4. Third number 3 comma 1, 3 comma minus 4. Right? Next one is A cross A. So this is A cross A. So before going to A cross A, we'll just finish B cross A. So B cross A is nothing but we have to interchange the order. So in our previous question it is A cross B, here B cross A. So we have to write B first and A next. Again same way, 1 comma 2, 1 comma minus 2, 1 comma 3. Again minus 4 comma 2, minus 4 comma minus 2, minus 4 comma 3. And A cross A is nothing but we have to find the Cartesian product of A and A itself. Here what is A? 2 minus 2, 3. So A is 2 minus 2, 3 cross again A. Again we have to write the same set. That is 2 minus 2, 3. Again we have to find the Cartesian product. So 2, 2, 2 minus 2, 2, 3. Minus 2, 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, 3. Again go for the third number. 3, 2, 3 minus 2, 3, 3. 3, 2, 3 minus 2, 3, 3. Right? Oh, this is the first subdivision. And the next one is A is equal to B is equal to P comma Q, which means both the values of set A and B is P comma Q. That is, A is equal to P comma Q, B is equal to P comma Q. Now we have to find A cross B, A cross A, B cross A. So A cross B, P comma Q, that is A is P comma Q cross B also P comma Q, P comma Q. So now we have to find the Cartesian product PP, PQ, QP, QQ. That's all. Again B cross A. Here both the sets, both the elements in the sets are same. So B also, what is that? P comma Q, and A also P comma Q. Again we will get the same answer here because both the sets are same here, right? So P, same way, P cross P, P comma P, P comma Q, Q comma P, Q comma Q. Finally A cross A. What is A? P comma Q cross. Again we should put A. So what is A? Again P comma Q. So same answer, PP, PQ, QP, QQ. So for all the Cartesian product we have the same answer here, right? Because of the same elements here. And the final question is A is equal to m comma n and B is equal to, this symbol denotes null set. Null set means empty set. Null set means empty set. Therefore, B is equal to empty. So we have to close the bracket and open the bracket and close, and inside we don't have any elements. This is called empty set. So if A is equal to m comma n and B is equal to empty set, what is the procedure? Here we have A equal to m comma n and B equal to null set, so otherwise called as null set. So A cross B, A m comma n cross B, B is null set. Here we don't have any element in set B, so we can't able to make the ordered pairs here. Therefore answer is also null set, that is empty set. Same way B cross A, so B first, that is null set first, cross A is m comma n. Here also, here we don't have any elements, so we can't able to make the ordered pair here. This is also, answer is null set. And the final one is A cross A. Yes, A is what? M comma n cross. Again we have to put A, that is m comma n. So here we can find out the ordered pairs, m n, n. Right? That's all about the first problem. Thank you.